How to fix OVO cash withdrawal failed at Alfamart. To fix if your OVO cash withdrawal failures at Alfamart, the first thing to do is to simply check your network connection and ensure your OVO account is upgraded. So first, make sure you're using a stable connection and also verify your account status so that it is upgraded to OVO Premier to enable cash withdrawal services. Make sure that you have enough funds, including the administrative fee, and also make sure you've not reached the limit. If the app hangs, then you can restart it, and as always, just make sure to update the app to the latest version. If the cashier's machine EDC is erroring, it may be a network problem at that store. So you can try another Alfamart location. And if the app shows the transaction as pending but money was deducted, wait 1 to 24 hours for it to reverse automatically. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.